Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
O Menteri Badai Pek Yakatna Taxation James K. Sangma haka khat artarik ulber arjar arpo ula ong baka kenhun ki menteri haka jing yalang jongki kala shim yakarai ban wanra yaka jing penbek thamai yaki kendon haka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Act arjar khatin rio haka dorbar mang tengka kaban salong shen. U James K. Sangma haka jing keren bat kilat pathai kubor ula ong baka jing tmu penkelai yaki kendon jing menjur kan long haka preamble jongka MRSSA. Ula pentip ru baka kenhon menteri kala shimlang ru ya gi jing ai jing mut na ulat gajela utata gataroy ban penjana ya kene ka an kaban khanglat ya jing wan rung kerthep jong ki menderi bat ki barjela shapok gajela Meghalaya.
So as you all know, this has been there for discussion for a long time, and this was brought to the for the consideration of the cabinet, and it was discussed. The views of the law department was also placed, and the law department has also vetted it, and so as you all know that this act is basically, this bill is the amendment of the bill is to the act is to ensure enhanced security vetting of the tenants and to ensure safety and security of the citizens of the state by preventing anti-social elements from gaining shelter in the state, which might be detrimental to peace and tranquility, to maintain public order and peace, to verify and regulate the tenants residing in rented houses in the state, to establish district task forces and facilitation centers to facilitate effective enforcement of various laws for safety and security of citizens and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. So this amendment was brought in, and it was discussed, and the amendment basically is that a new section 4A shall be inserted after subsection 2 of section first the amendment of the preamble, in which the MRSSA, in the preamble, the word tenants appearing in between the words regulator and residing shall be substituted by the words entry of persons to Meghalaya and also to regulate the tenants or any other persons, unquote. And the words, I quote, or any other places shall be inserted in between the words houses and in the state. Right? So that is one, the amendment to the preamble. The second amendment is to section 2, and this clause 1 of section 2 of the Principal Act shall be substituted by the following: relatives or members of family means members of a family and includes husband, wife, father, mother, son, daughter, sister, brother, grandfather, grandmother, grandson, granddaughter, stepson, stepdaughter, adopted son / daughter, brother, sister of mother or father. So that is the amendment to section 2. An amendment of section 3 of the Principal Act, the words, I quote, or any other places, unquote, shall be inserted in between the words houses and in the state. The other insertion is that section 4A shall be inserted after subsection 2 of 4, namely persons to furnish information. So would you like me to read all this out? No? Okay. So these are the things, basic salient amendments which have been proposed to be brought into the MRSSA 2016, and this will be placed before the Assembly during this current budget session. There are certain changes from that ordinance, and this is a separate a bill, that is amendment bill, that is coming about. An ordinance will lapse once a bill is brought in and the amendment takes place. That is a normal constitutional practice.